Here we are on the Skype download page, and what we're going to do now is download Skype and install it. So the first thing we're going to do, by the way, if you want to know where Skype is, you just type here skype.com. That brings you to this page. So we'll click on download Skype, which brings us to the next section, which should be a little dialog box asking me if I'd like to run or save the program. You can save this to the desktop and then go along afterwards and open it. But the problem is people save these programs and they don't know where they have saved them to. So for now we'll just click on run, and this will run the program and install it. Start installing it immediately. It's saying here it's 1 minute 55. So I'm just going to pause that until we're ready to go. Just as this is finishing the download, we could move that up out of the way. You can see on the screen here, certain instructions that'll help you through the installation. Run the Skype setup, which we are doing. Then there's a wizard that will take you through the setup, and then finally the application will launch. So we're just waiting for this to finish in 10, 9, 8, 7 seconds. And then we can follow the setup wizard. Here we go. Let's run. So it'll verify the download. And now we start the installation. Now, language dependent. Espanol, English. We just keep it at English. Yes, I have read and accepted the Skype End Users License Agreement and the Skype Privacy Statement. Okay. If you don't click yes, it won't install. Let's just open Options. Now, this is a very important feature when you're installing programs. This will tell me to create a little icon on my desktop. This will tell Skype to launch after installation. This will tell Skype to start when the computer starts. I would advise against that. I would turn that off. You can always activate Skype anytime you wish. You can install Skype Extras Manager. Well, we'll leave that ticked for now. I have Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, so I will install the Skype plugin for that. But if you only have Windows Internet Explorer, I wouldn't bother. I would untick that like so. But I want it. This is the one you're interested in here for Internet Explorer. And this is the destination where the file will be kept. Program file Skype. So we click install. Install the free Google toolbar. I don't like installing toolbars. This is entirely up to yourself if you wish to install it, but I don't wish to install it. So we'll click next while it installs on your computer. I had to let that through on my firewall there. That's what the delay was. I don't know how long this is going to take. It doesn't look like it's going to take too long. This is the progress bar here along here. As this fills up, it gets closer to the end of the installation. There it is, done. Great, now you have the new Skype. You will see more information about the Skype add-on the next time you start your browser. So let's just start Skype. And in a second or two, Skype will pop up. And here we have my firewall. Let that through. And there's Skype there. I want to drag over. Create an account. Well, I have an account and I'm certainly not going to show it on screen. So what you would do is just fill your name in. Choose a Skype name, which can be anything, a password. Click on yes. And remember, if you don't click on yes, it will not finish the installation. But I'll finish this later because I have an existing account.